Hi friends, it's Lori and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would share a yard sale haul with you, and we would just do it outside on the front porch because it's really nice out. It's like 69 degrees, there's no humidity. It's really warm in the sun, but as far as like being on the porch and stuff, it is just perfect. So I thought I'd sit here and share with you what I found this morning. All week they have advertised that there was going to be this big community yard sale in this neighborhood, and there's a lot of houses in this neighborhood. That's where we always take the girls trick-or-treating. I think there was a total of 5 yard sales, 6 maybe, and they were not even big yard sales. They were just really small yard sales. But we did get a few things, so if you're interested in seeing what we got, keep watching. Okay, first off, I got these two things. I only paid $1. They were 50 cents a piece. I got this Vera Bradley eyeglass case. This thing looks like it's never been used. It is the red pattern, and yeah, so I got this to put my sunglasses in. And I got this basket because you guys know I love baskets, to hang it on the wall. It's pretty good size. I mean, it's not really small, but it's not, really big. But I mean, it's 50 cents, and it's got the little stars glued onto it. So really super cute. And then I picked up this. This was $2. And I don't know. I just figured I'd find something to do with it. Somehow, somewhere, I'll find something to do with it. You know me, I love my baskets. Okay. I also got, I don't know if I can, let me show you. I picked up this table, and I like how it just kind of has this backing on the 3 sides. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint it, and then I don't know. I don't know how good the wood will hold up outside. I'd like to leave it on the porch, just to put some flowers and stuff on. But we will see how that works out. Okay, and then I got this for $2. And it is the Aladdin. I picked these up when they're really inexpensive because, of course, you guys, if you watch me for a while, you know that I collect them. I don't collect them all, but I do collect the ones that, I don't know, just kind of grab me and are in really good shape. This one does not have a year on it, but it's it's really good shape. You can see it's really good shape, and it's not broken or anything on the inside, which that doesn't matter to me because, like I said, I just collect them and set them around in my laundry room. I have them on a shelf. I could not get this lid on, so I picked up that. Did I get anything else from the yard sale? No. That was it for the yard sale. And then we got bored because we couldn't find any more yard sales. It was just me and Bree because Kevin and Maddie are helping one of Kevin's friends move. So they're going to be gone like all day because they're moving from here and going like 3 counties away. So they're up by the Ohio River. But anyway, then we went to Peddler's Mall because I love Peddler's Mall. You know, if you can't yard sale, you can't find any yard sale, you might as well go to Peddler's Mall because you're bound to find something at Peddler's Mall. So of course I did. I got this for $1, and it's pretty much a placemat, but I thought it would be really good on the table at Christmas time because it's really pretty. It's like red and cream color. It's going to look really, really good at Christmas time, I think, on the table. So I got that for $1. What I paid for this stuff at Peddler's Mall was basically yard sale prices. I got this little pitcher. It says it's from 10 Strawberry Street. But anyway, it was $3, I believe. But look at that. It's really cute. And you guys know I love me some little pitchers. They are so cute. You can hang them on a peg rail. You can hang them from a hook. You can decorate with them. You can stick flowers in them. You can just sit them up on a shelf. You can just do so much with them. But I love white pitchers. Love them. I got another thermos, and this is a small one. This was also $2. I think this one's more for like food, like soup or something. They had two, but they were exactly alike, and I didn't need two. So I took one and then kept one for somebody else. But the Peddler Mall had quite a few thermoses, but they were like $15 and up, and I'm just not willing to pay that much unless it's one that I absolutely fall in love with. You know what I'm saying? Now, I don't buy them if I don't like them, so don't get me wrong. I have to like it to buy it, but yeah. Then I got 2 rolling pins for $5.95 a piece, and this is both of them. So it was basically about $12 for both of them, and usually you can't find a rolling pin for less than $12 around here. So they're older. This one used to be red on the handles, but it's all scraped off. Then this, I just like the patina of this wood. It's just really pretty. So I got those. And then, you guys, I got this copper tea kettle. And this is broke, which I am perfectly okay with that. How did I get it open yesterday? Because you're supposed to, yeah, there we go. But the little handle's broke. Don't care. I'm not going to actually use it. But it does have some of the green on it. So it is actually a copper. And it is, you can tell that it's old. You guys paid $4 for this. Like $4. So I was all over that. And the most expensive thing that I got, I paid $8 for this, but it was this basket. I like this basket because it's good size, and then it's got this little stubby handle. So really cute. It's going to look good maybe on top of the hutch or on top of one of my shelves. But yeah, all these baskets I'm getting, I really think I should have made my house bigger because, I don't know, an open floor plan, you have less places to put stuff, you know what I mean? So, because you have less wall space, there's nowhere to hang nothing. You don't have a wall to put furniture against, or a table, or a chair, or anything. It's just big open space, and I kind of wish that we had an extra wall or two, you know what I mean? Because I'm running out of places to put stuff. We did talk about that someday we might take the carport and fill it in and turn it into a couple more rooms. We don't know. We might someday. It ain't gonna be right now, that's for sure. We're not with this economy. But I'm not complaining about my house at all, because I am in love with my home. I love my home. And we built it before COVID and everything else hit. So we built it at a really great price, and definitely not complaining. Not at all. Love it. But you guys, that is it. That's everything that I have for you. Everything that I picked up. Usually most of our yard sales are around the first of the month. So the rest of the month is pretty scattered, hit or miss. I don't know. I'm waiting on the US 60 yard sale. Definitely going to do that one, and I'll take you with us when we do that. But yeah, that is it. everything that I have for you. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, hit that red subscribe button below. You're the first ones to know every time I post a new video. But if you like looking at yard sale hauls and what people find at yard sales, let me know, because I will do plenty of them this year. But that's it. I love you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay cool, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, friends.